Ever noticed how nostalgic cartoon reunion videos keep pulling millions of views? They feel emotional, cinematic, and weirdly personal, and most people think they're hard to make. Here's the interesting part. Videos like this are now being created with the help of Vuela AI, an AI-powered platform built to generate viral videos, images, and text for content creation, marketing, and monetization. Instead of jumping between tools, writing scripts from scratch, or generating scenes one by one, Vuela AI brings everything into one workflow. That's why it's becoming a go-to tool for recreating nostalgic, story-driven videos like these. Now, here's how the process flows. Step 1. Preparing the prompt. Everything starts with the prompt. To make things simple, a master prompt has already been prepared so you can create nostalgic cartoon reunion content quickly and easily. It's available on my website, and yes, the link is also in the description. Inside this master prompt, you only need to fill in a few things. The name of the main character, mine was SpongeBob SquarePants, the supporting character, like Patrick Star, and the ages of both characters. For example, 70 years old each, but you can totally make them different if you want. Once that's done, just select all and copy the prompt. Head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit send. ChatGPT will then generate everything you need: 2 character prompts and 5 detailed video scene prompts. These are the backbone of the entire video. Step 2. Generating the character image. Before creating the video, it's best to generate a character image first. You only need to do this for the main character. Start by copying the main character prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Then open Google, search for your character, and save one reference image. Just one is enough. After that, visit Vuela AI and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Choose the image generation feature, then tap on Edit. Upload the character image you saved earlier. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I usually go with portrait, but landscape and square are also available. Now paste your character prompt into the prompt field. Click Apply Edit. Wait a few seconds. And that's it. Your character image is ready. Download it and save it. We'll need it for the next step. Step 3. Generating the video scenes. Now comes the fun part. Switch to the AI video generator inside Vuela AI and select the Scenes feature. This is Vuela AI's multi-shot system, which means you don't need to generate scenes one by one. All scenes will be generated automatically, saving you a ton of time. Choose your aspect ratio. Personally, I usually go vertical.
There's one more power feature in Vuela AI that honestly makes this whole process even faster, and that's the script generator. With this feature, you don't need to paste your scene prompts one by one anymore. You can just copy everything that ChatGPT gave you and let Vuela AI do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. First, click on the script generator feature. Then, copy all the prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste them directly into the script generator. After that, choose the video duration. I usually select 30 seconds, but if you want a longer video, you can go for 1 minute instead. Next, click Generate and wait for a few moments. And that's it! Your prompts will now be automatically split into multiple scenes, with a total duration of around 30 seconds. Even better, both of your characters will also be created automatically inside the Characters tab. Since we only need 5 scenes, you can simply delete the extra ones. But if you want a longer story, you can totally keep them. It's up to you. Finally, inside each scene's dialogue section, you're free to tweak the lines to make them more personal. Or if you're happy with what ChatGPT generated, you can just leave everything as it is.
After that, set the animation type to AI video. Enable character or object persistence. Enter your main character's name. Upload the character image you generated earlier. And keep the original style. If you want to use voice narration, you can choose voices for both characters or even clone your own voice. In my case, I usually turn voice narration off, but I still keep the dialogue text filled in. Don't delete it. You can also add background music, subtitles, or sound effects if you want. When everything looks good, click Create Video and wait a few minutes for the process to finish. And done. That's the final result. Thanks to the Scenes feature in Vuela AI, all your scenes are generated perfectly in a single run. And if you want, you can even upscale your video to 2K resolution. So yeah, pretty crazy how easy it is to recreate viral, nostalgic cartoon reunion videos with Vuela AI. If you want to try it yourself, go check it out. The link is right there in the description. Who knows, your next upload might be the one pulling in millions of views.